Okay. Got our chamber flag. Thanks, Mike. Badass, dude. Thank you. I appreciate that, man. I really do. And got the Bergara because we're gonna try that super badass target from Top Shelf Airgunner. Pretty sure that's his name. I'll link him in this video. And No Pro turned me on to him. Showed me some of his stuff. He's got some pretty cool content over there. I don't have an air gun yet, so I don't know a lot about them. But that target is badass. So I wanted to shoot it, and I asked him if I could use a Precision 22 on it. He said go for it. So here we are. I don't know if I can. Those are small. Holy cow. Especially those eyes. I don't know if we can do it. I don't know if we can. Anyway, so we got 5 rounds of a different lot. I just need to warm up the gun. And then we got 10 rounds of the stuff that I sighted in off target. And we're going to give that a shot. If you're into air guns, you need to go check them out. I'll put a link in the description for them. I haven't went down that rabbit hole yet. Don't know if I want to. Those things are expensive, I'll tell you what. Startup anyway. Startup. But watching No Pro and this guy, I think I kind of want one. And we kind of sound like a 22, or the 22 versions of them pellets. Sounds like a 22 going off, kind of, to me. I don't know. Anyway, I like the bang of a 22. I like the bang. Well, I like the bang of anything, any kind of bullet. But yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I'm thankful that he let me use it. And we're gonna do some sighters. I'm assuming the sighters are his logo. Or do air gunners take sighters? I think they do. All right. Well, I'm going to do it on the logo. Sorry if that ain't what that was for. Anyway, and then we're going to, like No Pro says, we're going to go right at it. I think it's 2 shots each for the deals around. So that's 8, and 1 for each eye. You get 50 points if you hit the red in Michael Myers' eyes. Those are small. Yeah, I'm kind of nervous. I need to calm down a minute. That'd be a challenge at 25 yards for a Precision 22 rifle, I'm thinking. Those are tiny. Jeff, you need to get this target and try it at your 25-yard range with your 10-22 varmint gun. Anyway, got a lot of wind today. That ain't helping. All right. Let's do some sighters just to warm up the gun. These are probably going to hit different. Yeah. Oh. Bergara, man, come on. Oh, yeah. You guys are going to hear it. You're going to hear it. I didn't have any problems the whole time I was trying out the other lot. That's pretty close. Oh, come on. Never again. I'll never get a Bergara ever again. It's stupid accurate, but that is so annoying. Oh, that one came out. Ooh. All right, let's get to it while it's warm. Yeah, it'll cool down quick. All right, first one on the left. You got to follow those arrows. Ooh, I don't think that went in. You got to break that black line. Okay. Next one over. There we go. Down. I don't see it. I don't see it, but oh, that's in there. Okay, hopefully the other one is too. Okay, to the left. That ain't in. That's a miss. Come on. The wind's really cooking. I'm so sick of the wind. Are you guys? Dang. There we go. Okay. I wish it would calm down a minute for those eyes. That's where I was aiming. Oh, we didn't get it. Nope. Dang it. I don't know if we got that either. We're doing this again. Yeah, we're totally doing it again. Super awesome target, brother. I love it. Yeah, I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do it again. All right, folks. Super, super awesome target. I love this target. Sorry, man, that I kept saying your name wrong. It's Off the Shelf Airguns. I'll put a link down. He has some good content if you guys are into air guns, which I'm probably going to be into soon. Well, not soon, but yeah, I might jump down that rabbit hole. I think I got my hand in the damn camera, but anyway, yeah, check it out. We got 12 there, so we got 8 and 4. We got the 32 there with the multiplier, you know, that little multiplier that he has. Bullseye multiplier. Hit 2 bullseyes on one target and get 32 points. We did that. We got it there too, the multiplier. Those are small at 50 yards, folks, I'll tell you what. And got another 12 here. And then went and missed both the eyes. Oh, that was super close to plugging, but it's not quite in there. No, we're going to do this again because I shot this in some massive wind. But we're going to do this again, even if it's after Halloween. I love this target. This is super badass. You guys need to go check them out. We didn't get the 50. Oh, I wish we would have. I think we can. I think we can. Maybe I'll try the Tika. So we got 88 points with the Bergara and some SK pistol match. I appreciate him letting me shoot it with the 22 because this is for air gun. At 25 yards, I shot it at 50. So thank you, brother, for allowing me to shoot it. Tag you in the video. It's off the shelf air gun. Yeah, not top shelf. I don't know where I got that from. Anyway, thanks, man, for letting me shoot it. We're gonna do it again. Hope you enjoyed that with the 22. Little bit of something different. Hope you're all having a great week. Halloween's coming up. Get your targets out. Go check this guy out. He has some good stuff. Later.